Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy Canon Corey, man. And I'm here at another meeting, you know what I'm saying? YouTuber little link up. And we're about to go play putt-putt golf. We're at this place called Swingers right now. So there's like a lot of like places over here that we can like play golf in a minute or two. But right now we're gonna eat, we're gonna fuel up, and then we're gonna get to it. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you guys have not joined the GroupMe, you might as well join it. You might as well join it.
You have to join it.
Seriously. We about to make some real bonds, make some real friendships, and get out the house, man. Cause like I feel like I've been cooped up. This snow been making me feel like I'm cooped up. All right, so we finna go out here and play this little game of help us, you know what I'm saying? Kenny decided he wanted to be the captain of the second team. For sure. So I had to let him know that, you know what I'm saying? I'm sorry that you had to take this L the way you finna take it, but it be like that sometimes, you know what I'm saying?
Not really.
And you know, it comes with the territory, you know what I'm saying? L's just be handed out. I be handing, and I ain't want him to find out like that. I appreciate you. I know I'm gonna lose a viewer today. Hey man, I appreciate you supporting me while you did.
I'm gonna say it like this: there's no L's in my name, but there's L's in his.
Oh. All right, so golf about to go down. Putt-putt golf. My people with me. They walking up. So let's see what happens. I already know we're gonna win, but you know. I think this course looks better than the other course, low key. It's a couple little windmills in the background. I wonder how that's gonna affect everybody. But
That sounds like wait.
Just do it because these other people's code. You're probably a lot more.
they think they over here. Oh, they think they over here doing something. They not doing that. Yeah, it's like a little pocket camera. I'll be vlogging it. Yeah. All right, okay. What the hell? I'm not even about to try that. These never work out the way you think they're gonna work. The little loop-de-loops never work out. Wait, hold on. I'm trying to get his first swing real quick. Oh. Look the way he looking like. Oh, you ain't believe? You ain't know. Hold on. Wait a minute. Oh!
Why didn't I do that the first time?
Oh!
There's a hill right there.
I know. I saw that. That's why I was worried. I had to get the reaction. You got it.
So this one's gonna be the more sweet one, okay?
Oh, okay. Thank you. I appreciate that. Go ahead and get it. Yeah, you can go ahead and get that straight to me. Appreciate you. Oh my
Here,
God.
let me know how you like it, okay? If you don't like it, then I'll get you something else.
Hell yeah, it's good.
Like that.
Yeah, it tastes great.
This one tastes better.
Don't be difficult,
This
Angela.
one tastes better. No, this one tastes better.
Yeah, this is great. Yeah.
I'm not gonna get off the top. I'm not.
It's like she tapped out. 1, 2. No. There's other what? I think there's another hole over there.
What?
Are you kidding me? What's going on? What happened to the 2 holes in 1? You had 2 holes in 1. Okay, just go ahead. Everybody's watching though. No pressure, but pressure. 4.
People in line are watching.
Yeah.
Tell her.
What is it like? 800 or 900?
Yeah, everybody in line is watching you. They're all watching you.
Everybody in line is watching you. I guess I won't feel that bad when it's my turn.
6.
It's okay. You got 6. Just right there.
But you look good doing it.
Some people
Look good.
Some people don't perform under pressure. All right.
I don't.
Other people?
Well, I'm just saying, like, I don't know.
Yes, sir. That's okay. We can take that. You know what I'm saying? You needed that anyway.
Yep.
You know what I mean? You needed that.
Definitely.
Yeah. All right. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hold on. Oh shit. Did she just get a hole in 1?
Oh, that was close.
Why is she crossing her legs?
Hey, don't talk. Let her do her thing. All right. Yeah. Why you?
I do that. That's my thing.
Is that still 1?
No, that's 2.
What happened though? I cut the whole thing.
Hey, you cut it?
Yeah, it's all right.
Hey.
You still get 2. My whole team got 2, so that's what you know. Whole team. Oh, yeah. I ain't want you to feel. I ain't want you to recognize that we did you like that, but you know it is what it is. That's. Go ahead and just drop it in there. Just go ahead and just drop it in there.
It's bad. It's bad.
Oh! That's a hole in one. Yeah, he got a hole in one.
Hey, let's go.
That's right. He had to make up for how your team was doing so bad.
Yeah.
He had to make up for that.
No, he had to make up for me.
Nah, he had to.
Yeah. But it out. That evened it
But
out.
I got somebody on my team that got 2 hole in ones. I got a hole in one. Yeah.
I got a hole in one too.
Yeah, but see, that's only 1 and 1. But we got 1 and 1 and 1. You know, so.
But add it up, though. Add it up. I know you got some sixes. I know you got some sixes.
I'm gonna cut this off. Oh, Tip, kind of doing her thing. Yeah, it's over there.
Okay, it's
Go
over
ahead. Come on, Tip.
Hey, don't rush it. Take your time.
Hey, but you look good while you doing it, though.
You do look
but
good.
You look good while you. Don't worry about it. Hey, them jeans look nice on you, Tiffany. Just want you to know.
Hey, let's go.
Win at all costs. All right, we finna do the score right now. We about to do the score right now. All right, let's see. Yeah. Calculating, because right now he got 2 fours. You got 3 fours and 1, 2, 3, 4 threes. I only got 2 threes. Woo! I got 27. Hey, you and Angela tied though. You and Angela tied. Angela, y'all tied for 2nd place. I'm sorry I had to do it to him. The crazy thing is, I told everybody. I told them before we got started. I said, I don't want to do y'all like this. She wanted to do paper scissors right there for making time.
Hold on, let me count. Let me do the count.
What you ain't trying to see what you? Oh, she was trying to see what you got. No, he only did his because he was trying to see if he had more than me, but really, I had more. I got the best score so far, basically. Unless somebody on this team do better than y'all,
Maybe Lisa.
Oh,
I don't know.
Did Lisa do better than you? I had 27, but you look good while you doing it.
I think you ain't got that camera.
We gotta have this on. We gotta have this camera.
Hey, Tiger Woods beat you.
Know what you be doing out here.
Hey,
look at how you be looking.
Tiger Woods
beat you by 1 point.
Who?
Lisa.
Tiger Woods.
I don't believe that. No, Ant.
She got 1 point.
Where'd he go?
Did she win? Who beat
No,
you?
Anthony.
Where did he go?
He got 26. I got 27. God, how the hell did Anthony beat me?
Because he won.
God damn, it's that last point. He got a hole in one. I got 27, so well, you 3rd place now. Damn. Y'all gonna have to like, comment, subscribe, 'cause let me tell y'all something. I can't believe this even happened. Now I feel like I need to redo, because this right here, look at my score. This is real. All right, this is real. I got 27. I did the best on my team. I put the team on my back. All right, I put the team on my back. I had the team on my back. You know what I'm saying? Angela was doing her thing too, but I really wait. We still gotta do team for team though. We ain't calculate the whole team for team. We ain't calculate team for team. Tiffany, by the way, I know you. I was trying to. Oh yeah. Okay.
7.
All right, I'm bringing my. Yeah. Excuse me. This is crazy. Yeah, I tell you. All right.
Hey, I told you why.
Why y'all lost like that?
Yeah.
What's the score? What was the score? I can't remember. I don't remember the score.
It was a devastating loss.
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna tell y'all the score because he lost. He forgot. So we all together. Oh yeah, write it down because I don't know what the hell happened. What score? Oh, okay, 123. All right, that's not too bad. But what? Oh, 133.
The lower score is better.
And I'll let you choose a team.
I understand. Eye candy was worth the loss.
Oh,
Eye candy was.
That's what was going on. See,
Yeah, you know.
See, I choose my team based off of, the value that I thought they bring to the team, not based it off no looks.
Hey, but
About personalities and like the skill that I knew they was gonna bring.
Yeah. Hey, but
You over here, you got hold of the value system.
Sir, if you want to go to
So you let the ass distracted, what you was saying?
No.
You was getting ass distracted. You got ass distracted. It's cool.
let me cover it. Let me cover it real quick. If you want to go on individual players, my team won.
No, he didn't.
I had Tiger Woods on my team.
He beat me by 1 point.
1 point.
Is anybody else on your team? Look, it don't matter. It don't matter. Look, we had a great time, and it was great to get everybody out. We all out here, having a good time. Everybody hanging out.
Washington D.C.
Dress how they dress.
Swing. We in the
Make
building.
sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I think I'm about to end the video here because I'm tired of recording.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
It is what it is. All right. Hey, the group chat made outside. You know what I'm saying? This low key part 2 of moving around. You know what I'm saying, I might have to put this on the membership side if y'all wanted to see the extended version of what happened after we left the little putt-putt golf situation.